Hello friends, today I am driving to Chengannur to change my car audio player which I fit in my Nexon. I have got Blopong Long Beach 970 on my Nexon, which is running on Android 6, and since it is not compatible with Canbus, I had to change it. So I searched for a lot of players, and I initially thought I'll just get the DHC player, and then finally I decided against it since I could get a very good player from a shop which is called Maazbeatz in Chengannur, Kerala, which is around 122 kilometers from my place. So I spoke to the owner and he said, just come in, and I'm going there to fit it. So I'll just show you what I have right now with me, and then I will show you why I'm changing it. Basically, I'm changing it mostly because of the Canbus compatibility issues. This Long Beach 970 is not compatible with Canbus. The newer model Kilago 970 is compatible with Canbus on the Blopong range. So I'll just show you the Blopong Long Beach 970 which I fitted, and I'll show you the part of the journey towards the Maazbeatz shop when I'm near to Chengannur and near to the shop, and then we will shoot how it has been fitted with the Canbus, and hopefully have a lovely video about the installation of Maazbeatz Android player on the Tata Nexon. So all up for it. Just see the one I fitted, and let's start. So this is the player I fitted on my Nexon, the Blopong Long Beach 970. I'm going to change it. So let's just go towards the Maazbeatz shows in Chengannur and see how good the Maazbeatz player is. Thank you. Hello friends, I've reached this Maazbeatz center where you can fit your Android studio. I'll just show you the office. A very professionally managed firm, and they get things from China, but it is very reliable. This is the office. Hello friends, fitted the Maazbeatz Android player in my Tata Nexon. It comes with Android 10 and the Canbus is also fitted. The display is much better than the Blopong Long Beach 970. It's more bright and blacks are very visible, and the Canbus is working fine, and the steering controls are working. I'll show you the Maazbeatz player. I got it for a very cheap price, for something around 16,000 with the Canbus, including the installation charges, which is very cheap. I'll just show you the Maazbeatz player. Please have a look. Hi friends, this is the Maazbeatz player. As you can see friends, the display is very much brighter than the Blopong one. I'll show you the volume button right here. I'll just as you see, once I press turn the volume button, the volume is going up and it's going down. As I press the button, as I press the button, it becomes mute. To switch it off, you have to just use this. You can't use the lower button to switch it off. To switch on also, that's not possible. Switch on also, you need to use this, because they said the newer model Nexons will support these things, but not the 2019 model one. And as you can see, this is the, I'll show you, this is the button you can press and the phone menu comes in, and the back key, see, the back key works perfectly well. There's a lot of sunlight. I need to shade it a little bit, to just give you more visibility. So yes, this is the phone, and this as well will work. And the home button is, on the star one, it is Google Maps, and then going back to the home button, everything is working fine. And even this button, once you press this, it goes into settings. It's very bright out here, can't show you complete. Yeah, once you press it, goes to settings, and once you start radio, you press radio. Sorry, when I pressed radio, the music just came over. It's not good for copyright. So yeah, I'll show you. See that this is the difference. Once you press radio, you can turn this pretty much and swap the radio, yeah, P1, P17, P1 comes in, okay, P8, okay. You can turn with this button. So almost everything in the Canbus works. The display is much brighter. The price is very lower, 16,000 including the Canbus. They have a online store, where you can buy these their products, and it's very cheap and in a good quality. These are all coming from China. They're just labeling it, but these are good products. I can guarantee you that. There is a 1-year warranty. They give you a warranty card as well. So overall, it's been a good experience. And now I'll show you the steering, buttons in the steering. I'll just show you the button. Friends, now I'm going to press the SRC button and the steering control buttons, like volume up and down, to show you how this works with the Maazbeatz player. So I'll just show you SRC. Pressing SRC, as you can see, different menu pops up. You press it again, and different menu pops up. And now we'll try the volume up and down button. Volume up and down button. Yeah, so everything works perfectly well. Volume up, volume down, yeah, it works. The Bluetooth I've tried before, it works perfectly well as well. The phone, receiving, and phone denying button. So everything works perfect. So almost a very good experience. Now I'll show you once the door is opened. So the door is open. It works well. Only issue is the back doors. Once you open the back doors, the the left door sign shows in, because they said this Canbus is for the newer model, so it won't work with all the back doors. So once you open the back doors, the left door shows as open, so that's how it works. That is a drawback, but other than that, this has been a very good purchase. For 16 I got everything I wanted. The display is absolutely fine, everything works well. The sunlight legibility is fantastic compared to the Blopong Long Beach 970. So overall very satisfied with it. So guys, if you want to buy this, I will just leave the link in the description below to the website, so you can go and buy these items for your. They've got almost every car and every model covered. They've got like accessories for different cars as well, to fit different panels for different cars as well for these Android players. This seems very good. They got a customer care number. I will leave that also in the description for you guys to call and just to inquire about them. They ship. They by my interaction and by my communication, by my experience, I would say this is a good like properly managed. They've got around 20 staff in their office. Seems very good, very professional. I'm happy with it. I'm just experiencing it, but overall it's been a very robust experience. And looking at my experience with car audios, I think this is really good. So friends, if you want to go for it for your Tata Nexon, you can blindfoldly go for it. 16,000, you get in the Canbus, you got everything for 16,000, and this is really good. Because if you want same hypersonic, you need to pay at least 25,000. So Woodman seems to be slightly more high price on this as well. So these all come from China. So if you get a reliable guy, that is good enough. So this guy seems to be reliable. Maazbeatz. So if you're looking for like a car audio player, Android audio player, you can definitely access these people. Maazbeatz. They are from Chengannur, a small town in central Kerala. So hopefully friends, you like this video. Please if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.